just finished up a Walmart shift. I'm going to the fair today. We have VIP tickets to see Justin Moore. I'm really excited. I spilled something sticky on myself. So I'm gonna go home and shower really quick and then get ready for the fair and I'll bring you guys along. Hello friends. Monica with makeup is really a different Monica than the normal Monica that you see in your everyday life. I could never do this every single day. I don't know how people do it. Like, that's just too much time to devote to beautifying yourself. But anyways, hello, waiting for my friends to get here. And then I'm gonna drive them to the fair, and that's where we're seeing Justin Moore. And then we're leaving my car there overnight, and then my mom's picking us up after. We'll be having a lot of adult beverages because in the VIP section, you have unlimited beer, wine, soft drinks, and then they also feed us a dinner at 5 o'clock, and then there's snacks provided throughout the night too. And so the concert itself doesn't start till 8, but the food is opened at 5. So it's almost 4 now, so literally we're gonna get there. We'll probably see the animals. I'll have a little funnel cake and cheese curds. There's a cheese curd place that I go to every single year. And then we'll head up the concert and get some dinner there. Maybe go wander the grounds some more, and then it'll be time for the concert. Basically, I'm making this video, 1, memories with my friends and all of that, and 2, we spent $175 on these tickets, and so I'm just curious if it'll even out. I've never bought VIP tickets. If I've ever done anything with like concerts, it's always like the general access, like $50 ticket. So this is my first time like being really close to the stage and having that sort of experience. So I'm looking forward to it. I just wanted to show you what I'm bringing. So I've got this little wallet. It's TJ Maxx. You can wear it around your wrist. Mostly I just needed something small to keep my ID, my cash, and my credit card in, and my car key. So once we get there, I'll just stick my car key on this ring too. Power bank for my phone, but also my friends can use it too. And then I have a lip gloss in here. It's the Lime Crime. I really like this one. And that's it. I don't like to bring a lot of anything to the fair because I don't want to lose it, get it stolen. Not to say that people are going to steal things in my town, but I mean, you never know what could happen. Hello, Furby! Just me and you, buddy! Yes, hello. So shorts are American Eagle. Top is a little Shein, and then this is a Walmart shacket cardigan, that sort of thing. It's 80 right now, and I have it on because I have the air conditioning on. But the concert itself, and of course, some cowboy boots for some country music. I've had these since I was in high school. Oh my god, look at his little feet! Air-conditioned bathrooms. How many people does it take to open a meat stand? 10. Well, there's only 3 of us, so I can't. No.
thankful that you guys showed up. Well, first of all, asked us to come, and secondly, showed up for us. And our job tonight, at least from our standpoint, is make sure, first of all, you have a damn good time. We want you to hear every song you want to hear tonight. We're going to play a lot of old stuff for you. Hopefully, again, everything you want to hear. Doors up. Middle of June, she was planning a welcome home barbecue, green bean casserole, grandma's recipe. There was a knock on the door around 2 o'clock. He'd be there peeling the peaches of February 20 years ago. Straight line walking, it's been a long time since I've seen that looking down your hair, double dog dare look in your eyes. I've been burning at both ends, been a hot minute since I flipped that switch. It ain't nobody's fault, let's shut the world off and turn it back to when it was you and whiskey all night long, singing to the fire. She hates that even her red tips and the lips to cigarette trail. My tail lights, dawn's kiss with the wings on the wind, ain't to let her get away. And she's out there.
So So the concert was so fun and I ate so much food that I honestly felt a little ill, not from any of the alcohol that I had been drinking, but from the sheer amount of food. I had 3 plates of dinner and I think I had 4 desserts. Like, I did not stop myself, and I probably should have. But the concert itself was amazing. The concert itself was done at 10, and then the VIP tent closed at 10:30. So they basically gave you as many beverages as you wanted and that you could carry on the way out. So we all had like 3 drinks each basically. And then my friend really wanted to go on a ride. The carnival itself was still going, I think until 11. So there was about a half hour left, but everyone has wristbands and we obviously didn't have wristbands or tickets. But my friend somehow convinced a carny to let us on a ride, and it was probably because there were 0 kids in line, and it is one of those like little kid rides. So enjoy that. Brenda, if you puke on me.